Hold on. Oh. It's got a cool car in it.
That's very cool.
Yeah. It's getting ready to come off. Bad dog's coming out. What? Oh. Oh, you can see it. It's all the way in the back there. Oh, we can see it. There it is.
Alright. It's getting winched backwards somehow.
It's probably got hooked up to a pulley.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, will you go grab the tire? Damn, that's insane.
This reminds me.
And it is coming down.
Oh, yeah.
Mmm.
That's going to be sexy as hell when you get that running.
Ash's Fox body.
Stay. You want to take him? Yeah, but you can take him back to the house. At least stay here. That would be nice. Because look, that's what he wants. Whoa.
Hold on. Oh, shucks.
Going forward or backwards into the driveway?
Forwards. Okay. What's up, buddy?
That whole dash is all Fox body.
Well, I don't give a shit. Just
I do. That shit's cool.
look at this. Whoa, hold on. Hey kids, get out of the way. Yeah, you guys move. You guys gotta move. Don't hit that thing. Stay here.
Yeah, let's watch it
And there it is. Oh, the door's not closed all the way, but
Babe, you see that?
it's a Ford Python. There's only like 20 ever made. It's off of an old Fox body, so that's an old 302, but there is a supercharger on it. Doesn't run. We will get it running though. Stephanie's father was like, hey, I think you guys need this. And we were like, yeah, we do. Right. All right, so it's been a few days. We got her in the garage, and we've kind of been going through it. Some fixes up. The wiring is yucky. It doesn't start. We need to look at it. It's just been sitting for forever. But it's got some crazy alarm thing. You see it blinking, so the Dextar's in there looking at that wiring. You can look at the interior. We looked underneath here. The seats and everything look good. The dash is still good. So we are assuming that he just kind of put this stuff on when he put it in the storage to kind of protectorize it, because he likes the car. He's sad to see it go. And then you can kind of see it's weird back here. So the battery's back here, and then this is off. But we have the latch that goes in there, because when the battery dies, this doesn't have a manual open. So oh, it does? That is this battery, I believe. Yeah, I don't know, but either way, that's off. Oh gosh, just broke that. So we are going through it, trying to just do some stuff to gooterize it, because right now it's just a little tired. And one of the main things you can see here, it's the oil filter. So it's got a relocation that goes down there. The only problem is one of the hoses is broke, so I don't even know if we want to get it running, but I got to get those off, get those replaced. We'll see how it goes.